Hello, today you're looking at a Vestil manufacturing 4,000 pound capacity automatic dumper brought to you by Lanco. This unit is 52 inches wide with a depth of 49 inches and the bar height up here is set at 42 inches. This unit is wired in at 480 volts and features an automatic stop. This unit is three-phase, has an overall dimension of 66 inches by 68 inches by 58 inches. It comes with two guards here on the side. This dumper comes with a 2-horse motor. We'll test it here for you so you can see it run. Set it to up. Starts moving up. Real quiet machine. And we'll go back down. If you're interested in this unit, give us a call at 616-887-8300, or you can visit us online at lanco-corp.com. Have a great day.